Taking in some beach vibes. So let's do, my screensaver just came up with the word dispassionate. And I believe it said not being of not strong emotion and emotion. But let's do passion. Because passion means strong with emotion. Because it's the opposite. Has to be, right? I'm passionately enjoying this little view. Oh, there go a little shopping cart. This little view underneath the bridge over here. Even though right here it looks like the water's not moving, but the water's a little bit more prettier over this way, right? But passion. It's so fun to be passionate about something, you know? The feeling that you get when you're excited about life, when you're excited about what you're doing, when all that matters is what you're doing at the moment, and you have that passion for it, you know? I love being passionate. I love experiencing passion. I love sharing my passions. I love improving on my passions. I'm passionate about poker. I love poker. I'm passionate about YouTube. I'm passionate about becoming a great, awesome, positive content creator. I'm passionate about Toby, my little puppy. I don't know if you can see him. There you go. Say what up, Toby. I'm passionate about this little guy. This little guy, we chilling right now. Whew, I'm passionate about beaches. I love beaches. That's why I wanted to walk over here so you guys can see this little shot. How beautiful the water looks over here. Passion. Experiencing strong emotion. I'm passionate about my life. I'm passionate about improving my life. I'm passionate about making content that improves my life and others' lives. I love meeting people. I love having dope conversations. I love being happy, healthy, and wealthy. I am so grateful that money comes to me now from many sources on a continuous basis in increasing amounts. I am so happy and grateful that money comes to me now from many sources in increasing amounts and on a continuous basis. Ah! Sometimes you gotta just scream because you're so excited. Oh man, this shit is awesome. Passion. 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 Passion, passion, passion. Passion. You gotta love it. Not gonna lie, this sand, they just built this, and this sand is kind of sinky. So I don't want to get too close. I don't want to, but I kind of do want to get a little closer. Let's do it from over here. Oh, look at them big paw prints. Somebody was just over here. Passion. Yeah. Down below in the comments, boop, 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 boop. Let me know what you're passionate about. What excites you. Let me know about the passions that you found. Maybe some passions that you left behind that you want to pick back up. Maybe some things that you've seen, some passions you've seen in other people that you respected. Because I love seeing other people's passions, especially when it's something that I don't even understand, because I can learn new things. You get to see someone shine with so much brightness because they're doing what they love to do, I love it. All right, let's keep going. Toby? No. Little graffiti. Nice spot. It's a little gem right here we found, Tobes. Yeah? Yeah? Toby, what's up? He's going crazy. When you're in the movies and the doors go crazy, I mean, something might be coming. Toby, something coming? You good? You just want to run? I don't want to let him off the leash over here because sometimes you don't listen. Come.
It's 1 o'clock.
Toby! What's up with you? What's wrong? Look at me. Look at me. What's up? It's mad chill over here, bro. What is he freaking out about? Ooh, this passionate came back up. An adjective, not influenced by strong emotion and so able to be rational and impartial. Interesting. Not influenced by strong emotion and so able to be rational and impartial. Sheesh. With that definition, it almost makes it seem like if you're too passionate, it's almost like you will be irrational. I am irrationally loving life because I love passion. I have dispassionate moments, and I wouldn't necessarily call all my rational moments dispassionate moments. They're just moments that I feel objective in the moment, but I guess I have been dispassionate. Yeah, I guess I'd be lying if I said I've never been dispassionate. But I try to operate from passion. I just think it's better for everyone to operate from passion. Informant, a person who gives information to another. Infama. Informant, a person who gives information to another. So I guess I'm an informant as well, because I'm giving a lot of information about myself to whoever wants to listen, in hopes that it helps, and just to share and connect, get better at talking, share, communication. Perforce. Adverb used to express necessity or inevitability. Perforce. Used to express necessity or inevitability. But yeah. Toby, okay?